Bonnie, happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, you guys, hang out with me for a little while. We're going to do some chatting about the Black Friday week mega deals at Bath& Body Works. Thank you so much, Tess, Life Inside the Page, for giving me this information. Check her out. Her link is below. Go to her blog. Lots going on over there. So we're going to talk about that. I've got so much to review, you guys. I've got all the Bath & Body Works candles. I've got to get on these candles. Goose Creek, Elf candles. I've got Tuscany just sent me some Christmas candles. I've got the Yankee Candle eggnog candle, which doesn't quite smell like eggnog. I don't know. I got that. I've got Ipsy. I've got the new Icon box. I've got the Dr. Squatch Harry Potter set. I've got some other stuff too. Kringle, Homeworks. There's a lot of stuff I need to review. And it's 2 weeks until Black Friday. I'm like, are you kidding me? Time is moving too fast. So today, before I get to the Black Friday mega week deals, I wanted to share with you guys, I went to Trader Joe's today. So I've kind of been just hanging out all day. I didn't even do my hair today. I've been cleaning. I've been doing some shopping, just trying to get caught up. And I was really impressed by what Trader Joe's had for Christmas. I'm like loading everything in my bag. So I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got is the Cachet Premium Belgium Chocolate Assortment. I'm like, oh my gosh. I literally just like grabbed this up immediately. They've got milk chocolate, dark chocolate, caramel, coffee. These all sound like really good candles. So check out Trader Joe's for that. I also got the 12 Days of Beauty. These are $19.99. Looks like some good stuff, like gingerbread cookie dough moisturizing lip balm. I'm going to unbox this on camera. So that's another thing that I have to get to. I just had to share this though. Look, I got Trader Joe's dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo's. These are not gluten-free, but these are for my husband. I also got their gluten-free cupcakes today. Check it out. Yes, Trader Joe's. This is like the biggest coin I've ever seen in chocolate. I love chocolate coins. And then, oh my gosh, I had to show you guys these. Like, what the heck? They are Thanksgiving stuffing seasoned kettle chips, flavors of classic holiday dish. So I've got my Elf Brock's mellow creams, stuffing potato chips. I gotta say, we tried these at dinner. To quote my husband, look, this is thumbs up. To quote my husband, there's a lot going on in here. I'm not even sure what I'm experiencing, but they basically, I think, put all of the stuffing in the chip. I don't not like them. They're just really different. Anyone try? So I got these. So, okay, I gotta put my little chip clip back on here so they don't get stale. So, fun Trader Joe's haul today. So I gotta put all my Trader Joe's stuff back here, but if you're near a Trader Joe's, check it out. I'm addicted to this store. I love Trader Joe's. We just recently got one, probably about a year and a half ago. Absolutely love it. There's always something in there. I'm kind of curious to see. I did see they had like a balsam pine hand lotion and hand cream. I didn't get that yet, but I'm kind of curious to see if they come out with any more Christmas body care. So I'll be going back. So we got to talk about Black Friday, the mega. It's called Black Friday Week Mega Deals at Bath & Body Works. I feel like there's a lot going on here. This seems to be a little bit different, that they're doing like something every day, but I feel like maybe they're just like calling it this because we have a lot of sales at this time of year anyway. Like I said, tomorrow, the lotion and the cream, $3.95, $4.95. So it looks like Saturday, the 18th, which is actually like next Saturday, a week from tomorrow, we're supposed to have the soap big day. So there should be a big soap promo. I know a lot of people have been wondering about the soap. By the way, I was in the store today just checking things out. There's a new soap called, where did it go? pink tinsel petals. Have you guys seen that? I'm like, what is pink tinsel petals? I was like, that looks actually really interesting. I didn't even look at the scent notes. I just picked it up really quick. I'm like, that looks good. I got to get that. So we've got that going on. Monday, the 20th, we're supposed to have a special promo featuring a new exclusive 3-wick ornament. I've seen this. I think it's Bright Christmas Morning. It just left my head. I want to say it's Bright Christmas Morning, but remember we had the ornament, like it was in that, are we getting an advent calendar, by the way, this year? Remember the last couple of years, the advent calendar hasn't been too good. Tuesday the 21st, a special promo featuring a new exclusive gingham sock. I've heard about this. I haven't seen it, but there's supposed to be like this new sock thing. Wednesday the 22nd, is Bath & Body Works Rewards Member Black Friday Early Access. So, mark your calendars. Black Friday Early Access is going to start the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Every store now is starting Black Friday before Black Friday. I have not seen this many Black Friday ads, like, ever. They're all just coming in. It's like Black Friday is just starting now. It gets earlier and earlier. So Friday the 24th is Black Friday promos plus Black Friday purchase with purchase. We're supposed to be getting, I think, this like white bag. I think I've seen it. I don't know. I got to learn more about that. But usually on Black Friday, historically, it's always been buy 3, get 3 on the entire store. That's pocket bags, pocket bag holders, candle holders, gifts. Everybody buys like gifts on Black Friday because they're such a good deal, especially if you have a coupon. Save your coupon for Black Friday. And then we've got Saturday to Sunday, a promo featuring wallflowers, 3 wicks, and mists. And then, of course, Cyber Monday, we usually get 40% off. So I just wanted to do like an early, let's talk about Black Friday. I don't have like the solid details yet. They're going to be rolling in. But as all the Black Friday deals start to show up, I'll be talking about everything. Like I said, today is the men's care sale. If you want the cologne minis or the mist, I would get these today, or any of like the men's care, like the shave gel, the hair gel, any of that. Get it today, but don't buy the men's care lotion today. I mean, not lotion, the cream. There's no lotion. The cream, get that tomorrow for $4.95 because you'll save an extra $1. So there's a lot going on. I feel like there's literally going to be a sale every day, and it gets more and more confusing each year because they're layering sales upon sales. There's coupons, there's not coupons, there's codes, there's rewards. Make sure you kind of keep an eye on how many rewards you have right now. Always go to your, in your app, there's like an offer tab, and then you can see like what's happening. Like today is the $5.95 men's body care, skin and hair care. Candles are still buy 1, get 1 free. Body care is only buy 3, get 1. Not a good deal. So tomorrow is definitely going to be the day you want to shop for your lotion and your cream. And then I'm not sure what's happening Sunday, actually. Let me see if Tess has anything up for Sunday. Like I said, every single day there's like a new sale here. Not sure. I don't see anything for Sunday yet, but definitely check out her blog, Life Inside the Page. Just Google it or go down below on my page. You will see like everything. It's a really good resource if you're really into Bath and Body Works, because then you get a sneak peek of what's happening. So anyway, oh my goodness, you guys, we are in the official like less than 2-week countdown now to Black Friday. Don't forget to like do your budgets and try and figure out like what you want to spend between like Black Friday, Candle Day. We're going to have another body care day probably the week after Candle Day, and then we move right into semi-annual sales. So it's going to get crazy in the next 6 weeks. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I can't decide if I want to eat chocolate or my Thanksgiving stuffing potato chips tonight. I'll do a combo. Actually, I think I'm going to have another mallow cream. These are actually better than I thought. I can't stop eating them. I got to get them off my desk. Anyway, Thank you as always for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.